How to set up overspeeding alerts on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle crosses the speed limit set by you? You can do that by setting up an overspeeding alert for the vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up an overspeeding alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker, or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log into LocoNav fleet and asset management system and get started. Select Alerts module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Overspeed Alert. Select Overspeed Alert, and then click View Alert Settings under Overspeed Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Now select sub-username and vehicle group name to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected overspeeding alert in the form of real-time notifications. Enter the speed limit value in metric units, that is kilometers per hour, for the chosen vehicle. For example, I am limiting the speed to 70 kilometers per hour. Further, enter the time duration in minutes and seconds for considering speed violation. This will send you alerts only if the vehicle is overspeeding for more than the set duration. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on web, mobile app, or email. You can set up as many overspeeding notifications as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, book a demo now.